Do you want to see your traffic and engagement on Instagram Insights? Keep on watching. Hi, I'm Karma. I help entrepreneurs scale their business with online systems and strategies. I post weekly content about small business and online marketing. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the updates on my latest videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing how you can improve your traffic and engagement by using Instagram Insights. And make sure to stay until the end to see the full tutorial. Instagram Insights is a built-in tool that helps you see the analytics of your Instagram account. Instagram Insights is only available for business and creator accounts. You can see Instagram Insights for Instagram posts, Instagram stories, and Instagram lives. You can also see the gender and location of your following. And finally, my top two favorites are, one of them is that you can see when your following is on Instagram. And the second one, the best one, is you can see which posts and which stories and which lives are performing better. So why are these important? If you have a business, social media will be in your marketing plan. And just like anything else, you need to set your goals and you need to make sure to track those goals. All professional social media marketing agencies keep track of the analytics and insights. This is a very important strategy to see what's performing better, what's working well, or what's not. In order to see the insights, like we said, you need to have a business or creator account. So make sure to switch your personal account to either business or creator now. As I mentioned, Instagram Insights are available for Instagram posts, stories, and lives. It's not available for Reels as of yet. However, you can see the reach and the engagement on the Reels itself. I'm sure Instagram will do this update in no time. Why is it important to see when your following is online? Because this will give you an idea and you'll be able to schedule your posts depending on when your following is most active on Instagram. My favorite part is you can see the best performing, top performing posts, stories, and lives. When you look at the top performing posts, make sure to look at the visual content, how the graphics are, how the video is, and make sure to look at the captions and make sure to look at your hashtags. This way, you will see which ones are performing the best and you can create more and more content similar to that. Because that way, you will understand what is engaging your audience the most and what is working for you. Next, I will walk you through how you can navigate through Instagram Insights and how you can use this information. So here is the Instagram Insights tutorial. This is my profile. Go to your profile and click on Insights. If you have a business account or your creator account, you will have Insights. When you look at this, at the top you will see last 7 days or 30 days. You can select either or, whichever you want to look at. Then when you go to overview, you'll see how many accounts were reached and content interactions. I will click on the overview and it will show me what days I reached how many people. And it will show me the impressions, but for me, the most important thing is account activity. This is profile visits, website taps, and email button taps. So if I see more profile visits, that means that people are engaging with my content. They want to know more about me or my business or my content. So that's a good thing. And website taps, you know, that's the only link you have in your profile, Instagram profile. So that's important too. But even if they looked at the website, you see the conversion rate on that. When you scroll down, you'll see top posts and top stories and IGTV videos. I know in the video earlier I said IG Live, but I meant IGTV. So sorry about that. That's probably because I always put my lives on IGTV. But anyway, So why is it good to see the top post? Because click on see all or tap on see all, and you will see it comes up as the last year's. I don't want to go through the whole year. Of course, I don't want to look at the whole year because some of them are older and they have been seen more. But I'm going to look at last 30 days. That's going to let me know which content was more interactive, which one was most engaging. And when I look at this, the one that was the most engaging post was this one. So I click on it, I look at the picture or the video, I look at the text overlay, and what worked for this post. Basically, I'm trying to audit my own post, right? And then I'll look at my captions. What was it about? How was the layout? Was it easy to read, or what made them engage? What was the topic about, of course? And what is the strategy I used for copywriting in this post? Also, of course, hashtags. Now, another important thing is if you go to the insights, view insights from the post itself and pull it up, it will show you it reached 256 accounts, impressions were 264, and 137 of these were from the hashtags, and 106 were from home, and 21 from profile. So that means people, like 137 people, were shown my content because of the hashtags I used, and 106 were shown in their profile. These are the ones that are following me, obviously. And 21 are from the profile, which means someone started with my profile and then went and checked on my content. So anyway, what this is telling me is that the hashtag strategy was right, because most of the reach was because of the hashtags, right? So then I go back and I look at what hashtags were they. I take a note of that, and I make sure to use those and mix and match and use those more often. I'm going to go back and I will show you. You can do the same thing with the stories, of course. I will show you. So we looked at the overview and content interactions. Now, when we look at the overview and content interactions, you'll see the post interactions, likes, how many comments you got, how many saves you got, story interactions, and reply. The story interactions is basically replies. It's not how many people saw it, but it's the replies. IGTV and top posts, again, you'll see the breakdown. When you go back and look at your audience, tap on see all, you will see a breakdown of your followers. You see 15 people started unfollowing me this week, which is awesome because that means that they weren't my target audience anyway, so thank you. You can see where they're from, mostly, what age group they're in, their gender, which do you have more, women or men followers. Also, the active times. So you can look at the days, it will show you which days they are most active. And this is pretty even, so I don't really care about this one. But I look at the hours, so that way I will know when to post my content in order to maximize my engagement. If most of my followers are active during those hours, and if I post, there's more of a chance that they will see my content and engage, and hopefully engage quickly, so that will boost my engagement and reach. So that was it, and I hope you liked this information. Leave me a comment and let me know which one was the most helpful information for you about Instagram Insights. Have a great one.